Hi, my name is Carolina Puente. I am an integrated nutrition health coach. And today I'm going to mention certain diets because there's so many diets out there that people are not aware of. And maybe you're doing the wrong diet for you. So each episode that I will have will be a topic on a different diet. Later on, I will explain the difference between what is an integrated health coach versus a dietitian versus a nutritionist. So, today we're going to talk about the 2-day diet. The 2-day diet was created by someone named Sari Harar, and this person was an award winning health, medicine, and science writer. One of the things is, what does the food consist of? Well, it's for low carbohydrate regimen. And one of the things it mentions is like foods to include like poultry, good fats, which means like olive oil, nuts, vegetable oils, avocado, leafy greens, asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots, whole grains, low fat milk, and berries. But one of the things is, what about the foods that we need to avoid in the 2-day diet? Would be something like red meat, saturated fats, which includes like butter, lard, shortening, potatoes, beans, eggplant, whole milk. And then what are the pros? The pros is basically designed by health professionals and fitness experts, and it can provide sample recipes and emphasis on exercise. So this is something that should be included with exercise. What are the cons? They only suggest that there's 2 days of exercise, and the standard guidelines in general for exercise is like 3 times a week. It promotes low carbohydrate intake for 2 days per week, which may not be suitable for everybody, and does not promote long-term lifestyle changes, as the dietary recommendations are only applicable to 2 days per week. But if you guys are interested in such type of diet, basically, for the exercise portion, the diet encourages like engaging in interval routines consisting of 30 minutes of cardio, biking, jogging, and stuff like that. And with an additional like 10 or 15 minutes of strength training and 2 days a week. So this diet is not for everybody, but for those that are interested, it is called the 2-day diet. And the book does recommend like 50 grams of carbohydrates per day for the other days. And it suggests lean protein, good fats, non-starchy vegetables, and enough whole grains, dairy, and fruit of ideal nutrition. So this is what the 2-day diet is. Thank you.